Okay, in this video, let's take a look at ArcAir's sensor dashboard. And in this case, I'm looking at the dashboard of ArcAir running on a Windows PC. And what I want to highlight is some of the nifty things that you can do to better display your data. And specifically, what I mean is the sensors that ArcAir is reading right now. So right now, I can see multiple sensors here. Some are green in a good state. Some have warnings with them. Some have red dots, which are specific errors that are problems. So right now it's set up or default is all. But I can take this and change this to sensor type. So when I do that, now I can see cell density, DO, pH. Sometimes that's a great way to look at the different measurements that are out there if I have multiple sensors. The other thing is my sensor status. So now it's going to change this around. It's going to show sensors that have warnings, errors, or are just online and doing well. So that's another great way to look at sensors here. The final thing is sensors that are involved in experiments. So right now I don't have any active experiments down here, but if I pulled up Steve's test here and started it, and when I do that, so I've got two sensors in Steve's test. I have a DO sensor and a pH sensor that are running right now. And right now this is displaying yellow, and it's displaying yellow because this pH sensor is got some kind of warning associated with it. I'm going to close that experiment. We'll talk about experiments later. But we can see basically the min and max temperature for each experiment. And we can see the sensors that are involved in each experiment here as well. So that's another way to explain display data if customers want to look at them by experiment. Last but not least, I'm going to go back to my all function. And this is something that your users might be interested in. I can do groupings of sensors, and this is called process groups. To do this, I clicked on the backstage at the top of the screen here, and I'm going to group some sensors. So let's call one group Steve's desk. And I'm going to just randomly put in some sensors to Steve's desk. I'll pick that. I'll pick this sensor. We'll pick this one that's in trouble. And I'm going to hit save. And now those sensors are grouped in Steve's desk. Now, imagine, if you will, this could be your customer's process. So this could be bioreactor 1 or bioreactor 2, something like that. I'll do another grouping here. I'll do Sarah's desk. And in Sarah's desk, I will pick this sensor, and this sensor. And really what's nice here is you can group sensors however you might choose to. So I've created two groupings here, Sarah's desk and Steve's desk. Now let's go out to my main view, my sensor dashboard. And instead of view by all, I'm going to say by process group. And now the sensors I picked for Sarah's desk and for Steve's desk are sorted out here. And the sensors I didn't pick at all are listed down here as unassigned. So this is also a very nice way to look at sensors from the dashboard. So I hope that helps. The dashboard is a very, very nice tool for looking at all your measurements within your lab or in your facility. Thanks a lot and have a good day.